y'all, so it's well, dinner time. I am gonna make rice and vegetable tonight. So I'm gonna sit here and chop up my stuff. Dump it in the pan. Don't really have much to say. I'm just going to concentrate on cutting this up and stuff like I only have to throw this one out because it's not going to fold together. Let me get rid of this one too. Tired a little bit from doing deliveries. Had a nice order today. I'll talk about it later. Easy dinner tonight, except for cooking the rice. Hopefully I won't screw it up this time. Last time I cooked it too long and I made rice pudding. Oh, leave the garbage open. Take the, oh, I didn't cut that too well. Let's try that again. Seeds there. Like I said last time, don't cut vegetables the way I do. You're supposed to fold your fingers back, but I'm not interested in doing that. I don't know how much of that you saw actually, but I basically cut up the peppers and the onions and threw some carrots in a bowl. Water. Another cup of water. I decided I didn't have enough pepper in here, so I'm going to add some more. There, that's better. Anyhow, I dumped the rice into the vegetables because I wanted to season it so it's got a little barbecue sauce. So I just got to serve this up, and that's dinner tonight. So quick, kind of, except rice takes about 20 minutes to cook. Other than that, it's quick.